You good? I got to dap some people right quick. Hold on. Okay, so check me out. We're gonna do this, right? It's been a wet minute. We're talking like ever. Got a piece? Let me tell you the piece. It's this piece that I wrote for this couple. Watch me now. They were getting married. She was like, can you write a piece for our wedding? I'm like, no problem, I can do that, no big deal. How much you got? You know. So, she said, no, but hold on. I want you to perform the piece at the wedding. I'm like, pressure. You can't mess up somebody's wedding. So she got this piece, she brought it back to me today. She's like, look, I need you to read this tonight. So I'm gonna read this piece, and when I say read, I mean read. Woo, child. Now, I'm gonna kind of do how I used to do it. Can I get a little something that y'all, you know, do it. This piece is called Love Beyond Sound. And it was created for the king and the queen back in 2003. All right, hold on. Here we are. This evening, sunlight will dance against moon surfaces, celebrating our us. Our moment of faith when you and I subside. Before you, I began each sentence structure with I as subject and all else as predicate, neglecting conjunctions functioning as lifelines, entwining my existence to myself. Before you, I labored building structures erected from rocks of Gibraltar, protecting lost souls from windstorms while I stood on the outside watching children play. But now as you and I subside, we realize the value of us together, building complex Senate structures, withstanding windstorms, watching our children play from the inside, while outside our four hands till the soil, planting mustard seeds, blooming faith trees, casting shadows on doubts of non-believers. They see our faces when they leave us, wishing they could be us, but no, it's not possible. To this love is beyond sound. Saying I love you is not good enough. Shouting I love you is not grand enough. See, actions be the way love transfuses itself to our bones. From now on, we love us. Lies never enter our minds and untruths never exit our mouths. No matter what sides or mountains we climb, it'll never get rough because we love us. See, because us never loved anyone like this before. Husband, wife, shine light, walking by faith, not by sight. Sunshine, benevolent drum rhythms beating against moon faces. Commitment, compassion, rapture and laughs, felt beneath the feet of our divine path. God leads the way silently, because this love is love beyond sound.